he refers it as platform ticket, that he says that he wants to buy in a small quantity when he figures out a great business and then gradually increases his position.
Yeah, that's an investment approach which you would say is unique, but it is an investment approach which has worked for him. See, Priyanka, just like one shoe does not fit all in the world of investment, the theory is pretty much the same. But if you look at all the finest investors, if you compare Radhakishan Damani's portfolio with Rakesh Junwala's portfolio, Rakesh Junwala has always called Radhakishan Damani as his guru, but there is no similarity in their portfolio.
Right.
Similarly, if you compare a portfolio of the greats like Nimish Bhai and Manish Chokhani, even though they are good friends, but the portfolio of Nimish Shah and Govind Parekh, it may be strikingly different. While the template used by great investors is pretty much the same: buy a good business, run by a good management, buy at a good price and hold it for a long time.
Companies are different, yeah.
The companies are very different, and your portfolio approach is very different. What you're saying is platform ticket. The modern investment fund manager terminology would use the word sizing. There is no rule book which says that you should buy in small quantity or you should not buy in small quantity. We were talking about Palak Prasad last time. Palak, he only believes in going all in when he sees that kind of a size of opportunity. But when you are an individual investor, see, the difference between Govind Bhai and any other institutional fund manager is that he's not managing public money. Now, when you're not managing public money, you have a huge advantage of time and benefit of scale and size. With institutional investors, you don't have that liberty. You have a daily NAV which you have to monitor, and you have a limited window in which you have to perform because you always compare. In terms of individual investors, that liberty, I think, is a luxury. An analogy which a lot of investors have used, and he's also used, is that if you're on a cricket field, there is a compulsion for a batsman to take a shot at every ball, especially if you're playing T20. But if you're an investor, you really have to wait for that ball to take a swing. And that is what the advantage of Govind Bhai has been, that he waits for the ball to come in his comfort zone and then he will swing the bat.
Absolutely. That means every investor has a unique style of investing and they have a different kind of framework. In fact, he had the way you just quoted, Nikunj, that he had